Hey YouTube, what is happening? Thank you for coming back and checking out another one of my videos. Today I've got an unboxing video from a company from Alaska. This is the very first package I've received from Alaska. It's from the Anointed AK. I'll have their links in the description box below to their Instagram and their website. I'd like to thank Tyson from Faithfully Bearded for getting me in contact with them. I greatly appreciate it. Tyson did my recent live stream the night before Mandy's surgery, and he did a little fundraiser, I guess what you call it, a fundraiser, try to raise some money for our family, which I greatly appreciated. And the owner of the company, Scott, reached out to him and sent me a nice care package, and that's what we're opening up today. Funny thing is, he sent me a message saying that he was sending me a package and this and that. I had never spoken to the man before, not thinking that Tyson was giving him my address, which is totally cool. And I said, how did you get a hold of my information? And he told me, and I said that a lot of you guys have been wanting me to review his company. So I told him the specific scents that I've been asked to review. Well, I got those, but I got those arrived before the package he sent out before. In my hand, I have flannel, holy water, and vanilla smoke. I've already opened those up, as you can see. Tyson sent me mahogany, and I have a Trinity beard elixir as well. Now, I'm not 100% sure what this actually is. I'm imagining it's a beard wash of some sort. And as I'm using it, and I'll have a full review on it here in the future, but it looks to me, it's a 4-ounce bottle. It looks liquidy. I'm assuming it's a beard wash of some sort. I'm digging the smell already, so that's a plus. And I've already opened up these and smelled these out and given them. I've used these once. This vanilla smoke, just like I said, first impression. This is badass. I really do like this vanilla smoke. It's a really good one. The holy water. I've been asked to review this by quite a few people. Aaron Rogers from Rogers Beards and Barbecue. I think I'm saying your handle correctly. He asked me to review this a long time ago. And to me, this first impression, it's like a cucumber mint, which is a very refreshing springtime scent to me, and I like it. Mahogany. I'm a drummer, and mahogany, when I hear the word mahogany, it always refers me to like a mahogany drum set, which is a really warm, deep sound. It's the exact same scent or the feel I get from this. It's almost like a mahogany candle, if you know what I'm talking about, like a mahogany teak wood. It's kind of like that. And this last one is flannel, and I'm not 100% sure if this is supposed to be like a flannel candle or a like a cologne scent. But from what I've been told from people is that this is his take on the Ralph Lauren Polo Red cologne. I've never smelled that before, but if that's what this is supposed to be, it's amazing. I'm going to tell you that now. I absolutely love this smell. Now, you can take a look at the bottle. I don't think that the oil itself is tinted, but it looks like it's a red tint. It looks like the bottle might be tinted. And if that's the case, it's still cool looking. The holy water is the same. And the vanilla smoke has like a frosted color, which I like. And the mahogany, this is actually just an amber glass bottle. So kind of the tints of the bottle kind of set the tone for the scent and what you're expecting, which I think is pretty neat. I like it. The labeling is very, very professional. It seems to be oil proof and waterproof to me, which that's good. I like that. So let's see what the actual first package was supposed to be. Again, this is the Anointed AK from Eagle River, Alaska. And a funny story about this package. Scott sent me the info, the tracking info. This package actually went all the way to Puerto Rico, and it made it up here to Pennsylvania. So, okay, we got a nice little card here. Nice little flyer card. Scott, your family's in my prayers. You've got a whole community behind you that's got your back through thick and thin. Feel free to reach out if you need anything at all. God bless, from Scott. And he's on Facebook. He's on Instagram, and his website is anointedak.com. Thank you very much, sir. Let's close that. Now, we got a sticker package. You guys know that I'm a big sticker fan. And this one says a static cling window vinyl. Okay. Got a couple stickers in there. Thank you. Thank you very much. And we are looking at... Oh! I do follow this company on Instagram. And I know that he is... If they're not out yet, they will be. He has the beard and body soaps. And this one is with shea butter and activated charcoal. This one's a deep cleanse. This one is with goat's milk and whole grain oats. This one's called a Pure Serenity. I got 2 soaps here. And in our household, we call them the handmade soaps. I don't know the actual term for them, but we don't buy our soaps from Walmart or any kind of department store. We buy ours from people, from people who actually make them by hand. Thank you. If I do not use these myself, I'm going to tell you, Mandy's going to use these. So these will have a review very soon. We have some peanuts. Tyson, if you're watching, I'm taking your idea. I'm just going to start throwing everything on the floor, but I'm going to be the one picking it up. But that's okay. Oh my goodness. This is a humongous package, people. The Anointed AK. This is a bumper sticker, I would imagine. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that. I'm a big sticker collector. Okay, this is going to be a really big box here I'm opening up. So I'm going to go ahead and get all this out here on the table first. Wow, he packed this dang thing full. Wow. And the rest is the peanuts. And we'll just set that box down. So let's look at what we got in the oils today. It looks like I got about 5 or 6 oils here. And 2 tins or cans. We'll check them all out. We'll take everything off. Really good bubble packaging. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Okay, we got all those out. Man, you sent me a lot of stuff, Mr. Scott. Thank you very much. Thank you. And I will have a full review for all of this stuff in the future. Today's date, the filming of this video is Monday, April 22nd, 2019. So today I'm looking at all that I've received from the Anointed AK. The flannel, holy water, vanilla smoke, and a mahogany from my first batch, along with what Tyson sent me. I'm looking at Brood. This is an 8-week infused premium beard oil. He calls this Wind Down. Okay. Now, I don't know what this is exactly. It says the process. Each batch of our Brood series takes 8 weeks to produce. And those 8 weeks, our carrier oil blends are infused with high-quality natural ingredients that are known to help promote stronger, healthier hair and stimulate growth. Wind Down is chamomile tea, lavender buds, orange zests, and sage leaves are cold pressed infused over 8 weeks into an organic blend of jojoba, sweet almond, argan, and vitamin E oils designed to help you unwind. Okay. That's different. I've never heard of that or someone doing that. Oh man. Okay, scent is amazing off of there. Wow, great job. First impression. Now this one, I've noticed this on their website and on their Instagram. Scott takes. I don't want to word it. He takes companies and he puts his spin on it. Anointed AK Resist. Peanut butter cup beard oil. Now, I'm not the biggest fan at all of food-oriented, food-scented products in my beard. But I'm not going to lie, I do love Reese cups, I do. This smells... It smells like a Reese cup, but I'm getting more of just a butter scent than I am the peanut butter itself. And that's okay. That's cool. I like that. It probably smells way better in hand. That's just first impressions here. And I have another mahogany oil, and I already have that from Tyson's, so now I have 2 of those, and I do like this mahogany. I like it a lot. Enigma. Now this one is a Black Cherry Merlot blend by Gabe Lopez. Okay, so this one probably smells like a wine. And we are wine drinkers in here as well. And the bottle is a red tint to it. I like that, because the oil is clear. Yeah, that smells just like a real sweet wine. This is different. Yeah. If this was a wine, I would drink that because I like black cherry. Anointed AK Cosmic Beard Oil. Now, I don't know what this is, or the scent. I think this may be a scent of the month if I'm not mistaken. And this is with the pump top, cobalt blue bottle. Okay, this is different. My first impression of this, I don't know the scent profile or anything. This almost smells to me like a candy of some sort. I could be mistaken. Okay, it's a special edition blend, it says. And I had the matching beard balm in a 2-ounce tin, black tin. Really nice labeling on it, though. It's really nice. Okay, that's something different. Okay, that I'm smelling something different. I'll have to look up what this actually is on their website. I can't really figure that out. And Rob Acker was talking about this one quite a bit. The Fade. It says their barbershop blend. Okay. Cobalt blue bottle, which fits the barbershop look and feel there. Wow. Wow, now that is nice. That is a very nice barbershop scent. Okay, I definitely get the talcum powder from here. That's a really good scent, okay? And the last one I'm looking at is called High Roller. This is a limited edition blend. This looks like a green tinted bottle here. And I'm reading here, it says, made with organic ingredients, cold pressed and handcrafted in Eagle River, Alaska. 20% of all proceeds are donated to charity. How are you going to complain about that? That's awesome. That's really awesome. Gives you the directions on there. High Roller. Oh, wow. Wow. Very, very impressive. Very smooth. Very, very smooth scent. And the last thing we're opening up is called Beard Rescue. This is called Revitalizing Beard Cream. Revive, rejuvenate, and restore from Anointed AK. And it's sealed. And I would imagine that this is somewhere along the lines of like a beard butter of some sort. And I'm not going to open this up on camera. And I'm not going to knock the company on camera, because I do know that this has been traveled in and out of the country. And I don't know if it's to its full state. When I mean, like, if it's supposed to be kind of solidy, or what you know what I'm talking about. So I'm not going to knock the company or anything. I'm going to let this sit for like a day or two, see how it hardens up, I guess. But it looks to be pretty good. I don't see, it's not shaking or anything. So that tells me that it hasn't melted. But the ingredients here are handcrafted using a certified organic blend of unrefined jojoba butter. That's a first. I have never heard of someone using a jojoba butter. So I'm going to have to look into that. We all have heard of jojoba oil as the closest oil that our body makes. I'm going to have to look into this jojoba butter. Organic or refined shea butter, aloe vera gel, fractionated coconut oil, which that is the coconut oil that you want. That's a really, really good one for your body and your skin. Avocado oil, shea nut oil, jojoba oil, and fragrance oil. And made in Alaska, of course. And like I said, I'm not going to open this up on camera. You know what? We're going to do it. We're going to do it on camera because this is an unboxing, correct? But he sealed it with white tape, that's a really good sealer. Take it open here. Oh, it's like a whipped cream, like a whipped cream. Damn, and this smells just like this, the exact same. Wow. Yeah, this is literally like, you can see it. It's gone. It's literally gone. So I'm impressed with what I see in front of me. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 freaking bottles of beard oil. I've got a beard balm. I've got a beard rescue / beard cream / beard butter. And a beard elixir, which I think is a wash. I will be using these within the next month, and I will have a review 3 to 4 weeks from right now. Again, today's date is Monday, April 22nd, 2019. I will have a review for these within the next month. Scott, thank you very much for sending me your nice care package and also giving me the chance to review the products. Thank you to Tyson for setting this up. You know I appreciate you very much, brother. So that's going to include my unboxing of Anointed AK. And again, if you don't know who they are, here's a little card right there. There we go. The AnointedAK.com is where you can find these products. They're also on Instagram and Facebook. I will link those in the description box below. I'm impressed so far. I'm really digging the scents. There isn't one I don't really like. So, first impression, what's that tell you? I'll have the review up soon, guys. Keep on bearding. See you in the next one.